Let me show you all of the gestures and motions available for Honor X7D. First of all, we need to open the settings. Next step is to open accessibility and features, and then we can move to these shortcuts and gestures. Now let's go from the top to bottom. We can see Google Assistant on the top, and then you can activate it or deactivate it with the switch. What it does when it's on is, if you press the power button and hold it for 1 second, your Google Assistant will toggle and you'll be able to talk with it, give it any commands. When it's off, then you will just have a power off restart or just a power menu for your phone. Then there's the double press power button. If you double press on your power button, you can access all of the shortcuts right here in the tools category, or you can put it on none. So just double click on the power button when one of the functions is on, and then it will toggle. Then there's the double press volume down button, but when the screen is off. It doesn't work when your screen is unlocked. So when your phone is locked, you can, before you actually lock it, go here and pick one of the shortcuts or select none if you don't want to use it. Then lock your device, double press on the volume down button, and that way you will toggle this function as well. Then we have the screenshots and global features. So when we enter it, there's multiple different options to take a screenshot. First one is to knuckle on your screen. So you just need to knock like on the door, but on your screen, and that way you'll be able to capture a screenshot of your screen. Then there's a partial screenshot, so you can knock once and then start drawing to draw something on the screen, and then you can capture only that specific space of the screen on that screenshot. And next thing is a scroll shot. So what you need to do is knock once and draw S. That way you'll be able to make a scrollable screenshot. So it will capture a entire page of your phone, and then you can scroll down with the screenshot. Next thing is 3-finger screenshot. So you just need to swipe down from the top and you can capture a screenshot normally. And the last thing is 3-finger swipe down to launch the global features. When it's on, you'll be able to access your global features, but I've made a dedicated video for global features. If you're interested, you can watch it out. Then you will see the what you can do with global features. We also have record screen. That way you need to use 2 knuckles on the phone, and you can start a screen recording. Of course, when this option is on. Next thing is screen on and off, and there's 3 options. Rise to wake. When active and your phone is locked, you can pick up your phone and then your screen will wake up. Double tap to wake will wake up your screen when it's locked when you double tap onto the screen, and double tap to turn off screen will also turn it off. And next thing is drag app content. It works only for selected apps. When you activate it, you can see those apps below. And what you can do is, for example, if you open any document with WPS Office, you'll be able to drag and hold any text and transfer it to your favorite space. And you can also drag content to Magic Portal. Just select the text you want. Then we have mute ringtone. You can activate it. Then if you flip your phone screen to the table, let's say, your phone will be muted. And that is all of the shortcuts and gestures that you can find for this device. So that is everything for this video. Thanks so much for watching.